the word comparative and the picture.
We are comparing the two words or two situations.
Yeah. So one is somewhat better or poor than the other, right? Or greater or lesser than the other, right? So for comparing two things, we use comparative plus als. That means greater than, lesser than, faster than, okay? Grosser als, teurer als, schneller als und so weiter. USW und so weiter. Okay? So grosser als, greater than, teurer als, costlier than, schneller als, faster than. Here als means the comparison between two things. Okay? Are we clear so far?
Ma'am, what is grosser and purer?
These are the adjectives. Grosser means bigger than. Teuer is costly. Teurer means costlier than. Schnell means fast. Schneller means faster than. Works?
Okay.
So this is comparative. Like you have done degrees of adjective in English, right? Fast, faster, fastest.
Yeah.
Okay. So let's say Audi is faster than Alto. So this is the same thing which we are studying today. Okay?
So is it like grosser?
Yeah. Now you see, auto is coming, right? Thus auto is schnell. The car is fast. Look at the speed. Thus auto is schnell. Now you see that the train is faster than the auto? Yeah. Der Zug ist schneller. Der Zug ist schneller als das Auto. That means the train is faster than what? Than the car. Is it clear?
Okay.
Understood? So when I say that the car is fast, das Auto is schnell. Der Zug is schneller. That means the train is faster than the car. So that means we are comparing schneller als, faster than. Then what? Than the car. Are we clear so far?
Yep.
Yeah, any doubt?
No.
Okay, let's go. Now you see. Der Zug ist schneller als das Auto. Understood? The train is faster than the car. Let's look at another example. You see? Can anyone read? Kritika, can you read this?
Das Limo ist lang.
So that means the limousine is long, right? Das Limo ist lang. 7 Meter lang, yeah? Now there is another verkehrsmittel. Der Bus. Der Bus is länger. How much long is it? It is 12 meter. 12 meter, right? Meter. 12 meter. Now, can we compare both? Can you make a sentence for comparing?
Der Bus ist
Länger als
das
Limo. Der Bus ist länger als das Limo. Sehr gut. Okay, understood? So one thing is greater or lesser than the other. Then we compare them, and for comparing, we use comparative plus als. Now another example. Wie viel kostet dieser Auto? BMW, ja. 400.000 Euro. Ja. Der BMW ist teuer. Der BMW ist teuer. 400.000 Euro. Now, next car. Mercedes. 2.000 Euro. Der Mercedes ist teurer. Now, BMW kostet wie viel? 400.000 Euro. Ja?
Ja.
Wie viel kostet der Mercedes?
2.000 Euro.
2.000 Euro. Yeah. So yes. Can we compare?
Yeah. Their Mercedes is teurer als their BMW. Teurer.
The Mercedes is teurer als der BMW. Let's find out. The Mercedes is teurer als der BMW. Perfect.
Now, teuer is and teuer.
Teuer. The first word was teuer, means costly. Okay, teuer. When we are making it comparative, we are adding er to it. Teurer. Okay? So, the Mercedes is teurer als der BMW. Next, now if we are comparing two things which are equal to each other, so we use so, then adjective, then we. Okay? So plus adjective plus so groß wie, so big as, so klein wie, so small as, so teuer wie, so costly as und so weiter. Okay, now let's find out. Yeah, Michael, wie hoch ist Michael? 145 Zentimeter. Is the height same?
Yeah.
Can we say Peter ist so groß wie Michael? Or Peter ist genauso groß. Genauso means equally same. Genau, equally same. Genauso groß wie Michael.
Okay.
Okay? So groß wie or genauso groß wie, both means the same. That means equal as, same as. Clear?
Okay.
Now let's look at another example. Here, Timex, 40 Euro. Fast Track, 40 Euro. Are they equal or teurer als? Gleich, ne?
Genauso.
Genauso teurer, genauso teuer wie. The Timex is genauso teuer wie the Fast Track Uhr. Whenever we are comparing, I'm just writing with the pen. Whenever we are comparing, what are we doing? We are doing er to the adjective plus we are adding als. Yeah?
Yeah.
When both the things are equal, we use so plus the normal degree of adjective and plus v. We can also say genauso gross v, genauso teuer v. So we are not adding er for equal things that are equal, right?
So you're saying genauso,
Genauso or so is okay, means the same. Now you see, we are not adding another er to it.
Okay.
Because both are equal, right? 40 euro, 40 euro. 40 euro, 40 euro.
Yeah. So toilet
Understood?
will be like more
Then
expensive.
so plus adjective, normal degree of adjective, and v. Clear?
Okay.
It will be more clear with the examples. Shall I erase whatever I have written?
Yeah.
Now let's go to the next slide. Look at this. Maria 11 Jahre alt. Maria ist 11 Jahre alt. Eva ist auch 11 Jahre alt. So, Maria ist genauso alt wie Eva. Now let's imagine that Maria is 15 Jahre alt. If Maria is 15, not 11. What will I say? Maria is
Alter. Maria is alter.
A umlaut.
Alter.
Will come right. Alter. Alter als Eva. Understood?
Yeah.
But when they are both 11, 11, we will say Maria is genauso groß wie Eva. Is it clear now?
Okay.
Rupa, Kritika, any doubt?
No.
Perfect. Next. Ich fahre gern mit dem Bus. I like to travel with the bus. Ich fahre lieber mit dem Auto, but I prefer to travel by car. Aber ich fliege am liebsten mit dem Flugzeug. But the most I like is to travel with the Flugzeug. So you see, look at it. Gern, I prefer to travel. Sorry, I like to travel. Then lieber, I prefer. And the most preferable is am liebsten. Okay. These are the degrees of adjective. The first one was normal degree. Okay. Then comparative. Then the third one was superlative degree. Am liebsten. Okay. Am höchsten. Am größten. I will give you a table to learn this. Okay.
So it's gern, lieber, am liebsten.
Am liebsten.
Okay.
Hoch, höher, am höchsten. Teuer, teurer, am teuersten.
Gross.
Groß, größer, am größten.
Okay.
I will give you a table to learn.
Okay.
Okay. The end. So that was all from the PPT. I hope it is clear to you.
Uh-huh.
Did you understood?
Yeah.